Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the top circuit board in the thermal camera. So this is your thermal camera. First of all, you take off the lid by undoing these 4 screws. Now this is the top circuit board here that we're going to be replacing. There are a number of plugs that are connected to it. So first of all, we undo those plugs. There's the power plug, the USB, the button, and then the thermal sensor. You undo those 4. And then there are 2 screws holding this in here on the right and left here. 2 plastic screws, so you just undo those screws. Just gently. Doesn't take too much, they're quite small screws. A little bit tricky with my fat fingers to get them out. And then the board's mounted on a series of pins like this, and so to get it out, you sort of hold the bottom board down and then lift this board up. Just pull it up gently. It does require a bit of force. And there's the board off. Now to replace the new one, get the new one. Let's assume this is the new one. And the key thing here is to make sure that you line up the pins so that they line up exactly at the bottom. And you just do this in reverse. You just push this straight down. A bit easier to get it on. And then do out the 2 screws that are holding it on top. And don't do them too tight because they are plastic threads, so you'll strip the threads if you do it too tight. Pop that in there. Just do that gently, and that should be secured on there. Then replace these plugs that we put on before. The thermal sensor, the button plug, power, and the USB. Then it's all good to go. We can put the lid on at this stage and do these 4 screws up. And your camera should be good to go. You should be able to plug it in and operate it as per normal.